Okay, so my friend Sydney, she laughs at almost everything, and she laughs at this. So we're gonna see how I can make her laugh. Okay, so stay alive.
Hold on, wait. Wait. Okay, don't go for getting close.
Stay alive, good day now.
You didn't do it right.
Alright, hold on. Oh, your shoulder.
That wasn't funny.
Oh, fuck you.
Shut up. Now this is going on YouTube, right?
Yes, it is.
Better. I will kick your butt. Were you trying to be freaking like sexy or something?
The things people think I was doing when they hear you say that. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm trying to make you laugh.
You're just like.
I didn't do that.
Hold on, wait for this. Wait for this.
What?
What the tongue thing? Are you baiting?
Oh, what the
Like you're baiting. You're like.
I was just kidding. We're gonna get in trouble, so.
Oh, okay.
Say something.
Goodbye.